creating a 12-step color wheel. And if you will notice, I have drawn 12 circles on this board right here. And I have selected magenta, cyan, and yellow. And these are the only colors that we're going to use. The first thing we want to do is shake up our paint really good. And then we're going to put a little bit of paint into the little paint thingy here. Then we're going to go down here and we're going to put some magenta in right here. And then we're going to skip over and we're going to put some yellow in here. Now, we don't want to put too much paint in there because that's very wasteful, isn't it? Now, it's always good to have the right paintbrush. You don't want a paintbrush that's too small or too big. So I'm choosing one that's just right. So what I usually like to do is I usually start out by coloring in my primary colors. So first I would paint in my yellow, which is kind of watery. If I want to go back and make another, one of the reasons why you want to do yellow first is because if your paint water starts getting dirty, the yellow's going to look really gross. The yellow paint's going to get dirty. Then I'm going to go down and it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm going to color the blue. Wash out my paintbrush, and then I'm going to color my red or magenta. And I want you guys to take your time with this. Don't go rushing through it. So, I'm done. Where's my grade? Okay, now I think we are going to mix violet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a dab of the red and a dab of the blue, and I'm going to mix them together to make a really pretty violet. Does that look violet?
Yes.
Now I need to make red violet, so I'm going to take a dab of this and mix it in there, and I'm going to turn it into a red violet. Does it look pinker than this one? Can you all tell the difference? Okay. Now we need to make blue violet. So this time we're going to take some blue and we're going to mix a little bit of this color we've made here with it. So see, we've got a really, really nice blue violet going here, don't we? And so this is basically how you would go about making your color wheel. And then when you get done, you want to make sure you wash your brush out really, really well. What you're going to do with your little paint carton is you're going to close it and you're going to write your name on it with a Sharpie marker. But anyway, at this point, what I would do is I would continue on just like I did, and the next color I would make would be green, and then I would make my yellow green and my blue green. But you want to be able to see the nice, clean colors all the way around the color wheel. And that's it.